Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
With the engine off and parking brake set, step to the driver's side and locate the interior hood release lever under the left dash near the footwell. Pull it firmly one full motion until you hear the hood pop open a few inches. If you have wet or cold conditions, pull firmly to overcome stiffness. Do not yank violently. Once the hood has cleared the latch, walk to the front of the vehicle to release the external safety catch and raise the hood. Stand directly in front of the Bmw X3 and place a hand under the hood at the center edge where the hood meets the grille. Feel for the secondary safety catch, a small lever or tab. Press or slide this catch away from the latch while lifting the hood upward. Use steady upward pressure until the hood clears the latch, then allow the factory gas struts to support the hood. They usually hold without a prop rod. If struts are weak, use a support or prop before working under the hood. To close the hood, lower it slowly until it is about 12 inches above the latch area. Align it so both sides sit evenly, then release or drop it firmly to engage the latch. Do not press down on the BMW emblem to force closure. The drop impact engages the latch properly. After closing, press down gently on the front edge to confirm a full lock, then visually inspect that the hood sits flush with the fenders and is secure before driving away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.